my name is Nikki with Vapor Honing Technologies. Today we are going to restore this bale. This is about a 30-year-old bale. Obviously it's very rusted. We want to use this 800 FL beside me. We're going to mix abrasives using 4 parts to 1 glass bead to aluminum oxide. What that's going to do is it's going to remove the rust and restore it to a like new finish. What we find is a lot of times when you're doing restoration in motorcycles or classic cars, you can't buy a brand new part. Therefore, restoring it becomes very essential. Let me show you how to do it. Hey guys, so we're back after blasting this bale in the 800 FL using the mixture of glass bead and aluminum oxide. We also used a corrosion inhibitor inside this machine so it treats the surface of the part for 48 to 72 hours before you need to worry about corrosion or rust coming back. As you can see, it's removed all the rust and it's got us ready to repaint if that's what we choose to do. Thanks for watching. Give us a call if you have any questions. Let us know how we can help you with your project today. Our number is 828-202-5563. Thank you so much.